If your Vizio TV keeps turning itself on for no obvious reason, it's usually being triggered by a setting or another connected device. In most cases, the fix only takes a few minutes. The first thing to check is HDMI-CEC. This feature lets your TV communicate with devices like a Fire TV stick, Apple TV, Roku, Xbox, PlayStation, or a soundbar. Sometimes one of those devices accidentally sends a power command, causing the TV to turn on by itself. Open Settings, go to System, then CEC, and turn it off. If you'd rather keep CEC, unplug all HDMI devices and reconnect them one at a time until you find the one causing the problem. Next, check your power mode. If your TV is set to Quick Start, it stays partially awake so it can start faster. That also makes it more likely to react to unwanted signals. Switch the TV to Eco Mode instead. It may take a couple of extra seconds to power on, but this simple change fixes the issue for many Vizio owners. Another setting worth checking is Auto Power On or Wake On signal. Some Vizio TVs can automatically turn on when they detect activity from the last HDMI input. If you find this option in the Power or System menu, turn it off. If your TV is connected to Wi-Fi, the network could also be waking it up. Features like Google Cast, AirPlay, or the Vizio mobile app can trigger the TV even when you're not using it. As a quick test, disconnect the TV from Wi-Fi overnight. If it stays off, you've found the cause. You can also disable any available network wake-up options in the TV's network settings. Don't forget to check the remote. A sticking power button, weak batteries, or even a universal remote can repeatedly send power commands. Remove the batteries from every remote that controls the TV and see if the problem disappears. If none of those steps help, perform a power reset. Unplug the TV from the wall, then press and hold the physical power button on the TV itself for about 30 seconds. Plug it back in and test it again. It's also worth checking for a software update. Install any available firmware updates. If the problem started after an update or continues after trying everything else, a factory reset may be your last software fix. Just remember that it will erase your saved settings and require you to set the TV up again. Finally, if the TV still turns on by itself after all of these steps, the issue may be inside the hardware, most commonly the power supply board. At that point, the TV will likely need repair or replacement of the faulty component. By following these steps in order, most Vizio TVs that randomly power on can be fixed without replacing the television.